Hey guys, and welcome to Real Work at Home Jobs with Theresa. My name is Theresa, and today I have some job opportunities for you guys. And if you're interested in getting that information, you have to stay tuned. Before I go any further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that bell for notification. So every time I upload a video, you'll be able to see my content. Comment, give this video a thumbs up, and last but not least, is share this video with everyone that you know that is looking for legitimate work at home jobs that they can do in the comfort of their own home. Today I have two jobs for you that are currently hiring right now that you can do in the comfort of your own home. And this company is called Allstate. They're looking for a bilingual customer service rep to work in the comfort of their own home. So you don't have to worry about being stuck in the traffic, the long commute, taking you 2 hours to get to work and 3 hours to get back. This is something, guys, that you could do right now in the comfort of your own home. And this company, again, is Allstate. They're hiring customer service rep, bilingual customer service rep to work in the comfort of their own home. And the starting pay is $15 an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the responsibility for this position. Is you're going to be handling inbound calls and internal call transfer to sign up new customers and provide assistance to existing customers, including selling additional insurance options, answering customer inquiries regarding coverage, limits, and other policy-related questions. You will be meeting service and sale goals. Applicants for this position must have a high school diploma or equivalent, at least 1 or 2 years of customer service experience, prior experience at a call center, or working from home is desired. Fluency in Spanish, computer skills that range from intermediate to advanced, availability to work evenings and Saturdays, and the flexibility to accommodate schedule changes. A dedicated home office meeting the company's standards regarding privacy, security, and required tech. This position pays $15 an hour. You'll be it's Allstate is hiring a Spanish-speaking customer insurance rep. The starting pay is $15 an hour, and you'll be working in the comfort of your own home. The other job that is currently hiring is you can make some extra money this tax season with the work at home job at Jackson Hewitt is currently hiring. It doesn't stay on how much the pay is for that, but I would tell you the responsibility, you'll be the operations support representative at Jackson Hewitt. The responsibility including using tools to access employee information, answer inquiries, and troubleshooting issues via phone and chat, taking ownership and researching, resolving and escalating employee issues, understanding and implementing new procedures and information, and providing a thorough and easily understanding explanation to employees. Okay, and then you have to assist with program support such as web chat, email, screen sharing, and outbound calls. Applicants for this position, you have to have a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years experience in a tech support contact center, computer navigation and data entry skills. You have to type a minimum of 35 words per minute. You need a quiet workspace equipped with a computer operating Windows 10 with at least 4 GB or RAM and Google Chrome as the main browser. Dual ear USB headset with microphone and noise canceling function. Wired or wireless internet connection with at least 20 Mbps speed. And I gave you two companies. The first one is Allstate is hiring, and Jackson Hewitt is hiring. And I'm going to give you a bonus, guys. This company always hires a lot, and they always hiring. So they're back to hiring. And since if you made it this far and you watched this, you have a bonus. Liveop is hiring. They're hiring work from home independent contractors to work in the comfort of their own home. And on this job here, what you will be doing is you will be conducting inbound and outbound phone calls with customers, providing service remotely in a distraction-free environment and sitting for a long period of time, providing service independently with little to no supervision, quickly accessing customer needs and providing sound solution, providing a high level of customer service, documenting details of all calls and customers' interactions into computer system, managing a computer with multiple system programs and screen stimulants. And in order to be eligible for this position, you have to have experience handling inbound and outbound calls. Minimum 1 year of experience in customer service. You need the basic computer skills, including navigating multi-tabs, windows, and systems. Basic typing skills, strong verbal and writing skills, and comfortable empathizing and remaining patient with difficult callers. And it doesn't, again, this is a self-employed. You'll have a 1090. You'll be an independent contractor. At this time, it doesn't state the pay for this position. So I gave you guys 3 all-state, hiring bilingual, customer service rep to work from home, and the starting pay is $15 an hour. Then I just gave you the bonus of liveop is hiring. And then I gave you Jackson Hewitt is hiring operation support representatives to work in the comfort of their home. So guys, like I always say before you leave this video, make for sure that your resume is up to par. If you're not getting hired, or if you're not getting any interviews or any leads from these positions that I have been posting and on my YouTube video as well in my Facebook group, make for sure your resume is up to par. I will put that information under my YouTube description where it's a work at home sample, so you can kind of piggyback and look at that resume and compare it to your resume. It has to look like you want to work from home. So make for sure your resume is up to par, because it is a lot of companies that are hiring right now, and people are starting their training, in September 16th. Some of them are starting in October. So it is a lot of customer service jobs and non-phone jobs out there that are hiring, but make for sure your resume is up to par. All of this information that I just gave you will be under my YouTube description. All you have to do is click and it will tell you all the description that I just read to you. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure you go ahead and apply for that position. And I would love to know that if you have gotten hired from all the jobs I have listed on my YouTube videos as well as in my Facebook group. Let me know if you got hired, because I would like to recognize you by posting that in my Facebook group, congratulating you and at what company you're working for. So let me know. So go ahead and apply for that position today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.